Hey guys, how's it going? This is Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and this is a quick update on my DMC2 Mini build from Sheriff. Put some more hours in, and the things I got done are got these attached here and back there. I designed and printed these little retainers. They have you slip them over top of a tab and then super glue them, but I don't know, I think that looks a little bit more finished. So when this is all done, I'll put this file on the website. You guys can download and print those yourself. At this point, I've got the Z-axis installed. It's still loose on purpose. The instructions tell you to use a protractor, digital protractor. There's no way I'm using this to tram the head. That's not how you tram a head. Okay, when you tram a CNC head, you put a indicator in the spindle, and then you touch your base plate, and then you sweep a circle, okay? And it should be dead nuts on all the way around the circle. That's how you tram it. That's how I'm gonna tram it. If I were gonna use this, I might as well use a tape measure. There's no way I'm using that. So the process will basically be tighten one of these completely, and then these up here just enough so it's tight up against, but still can be moved. And then with the spindle on, I'll do the sweep, and I'll check from here to here, right? And if these aren't the same, I'll tap that way or I'll tap that way until this and this are 100% the same. At that point, I will fully tighten all of these screws, and then I'll know this direction is correct. Now, it'll be this direction that needs to be dialed in, which you do back here. So, I got a silhouette there. Sorry, I'll come from this side. So you have this pivot in the center. It's like a pivot screw, and then you can go up or down, and that tilts it. So whenever you get the tilt perfect, you'll tighten all of those and all of those. Anyways, that's the part coming up. I'm getting pretty close to finishing the mechanical side, other than the enclosure, but got a lot of stuff done. So the weekend is coming up. I will get to put some more hours, I think. I don't think, well, actually, my family's having Thanksgiving, and I got to smoke some turkey. So I don't know. I probably won't get anything done this weekend. So I guess it's good I'm filming this update now. Anyways, thanks for following along on the journey, guys. Hope you understand. These videos are just quick, down and dirty. Just, no editing. So I'm going to misspeak here and there. If you catch one of my misspeaks, leave me a comment, and I'll correct any questions that were confusing. Thanks again. See you later. Subscribe to follow along on this build.